Part of how Iran has risen to some degree of ascendance in the Middle East is its use of proxies, its use of asymmetrical warfare, essentially not always being deliberately, obviously to blame for acts that are carried out on its behalf. For example, asymmetrical warfare, you could call that the Iranian attack on Saudi oil fields in 2019. They said that the Houthis, their allies in Yemen, were behind it, but the US said it was Iranian technology fired from Iran. But still, Iran was able to deny involvement.
They want to pin the blame on Iran in order to achieve something, and that is why I'm saying this is agitation for war.
Qasem Soleimani was really the master of that. He was the man who occasionally appeared in social media on the front line and battlefields directing pro-Iranian militia to attack ISIS. The same militia too that have assisted Iran's ally in Syria, Damascus. The same militia too that have apparently also been in Yemen assisting Iran's allies there, the Houthis. Iran's grip has been successful because it had so many people relying on its aid, fighting on its behalf, confronting its adversaries without Iran necessarily having to put their flag in the dust themselves. That has contributed to its, frankly, outsized reach across the Middle East and made so many of US allies disproportionately fearful, frankly, for a country of its size and economy.